Hello, worms and germs, dolls and trolls, hee hee, and boys and girls. I'm Lani, and I'm Jabu, and we're at Jabulani's Playhouse. We're going to start building our Power City construction crane, hey? That's right, Jabu. It's got lots of pieces, over 120 pieces, but it's supposed to be pretty easy to build, right? It sure is. And yesterday we opened it up and had a look inside at all the nice yellow pieces and the crane arm and all these other things, right? That's right, Jabu. So can we start building it today so we can play with it soon? I think we should. Come on, mommies and daddies, give us some help, please. Yes, please. So we've got all our pieces in front of us here. And here is our instruction booklet. Shows you all the pieces. It tells you what you have: a medium base, the columns, a beam, cross member, pallet, wrecking ball, the crane itself, the vehicle, and panel style A, panel style B, and panel style C. These are these little things here, right? So this is panel style B. And then there's the label for us to use. So this is for boys and girls 8+, and it has a choking hazard, so not for boys and girls under 3 years old, right? That's right, Jabu, unless their mommies and daddies are with them, right? That's correct. So let's get started now, shall we? So vehicle and column times 4. We insert the 4 columns into the vehicle. So let's do that, hey? Here's the vehicle. These are the beams, these ones. And these ones must be the column, right? Whoopsies. Let's put them in little nice piles for us. Good idea, Jabu. That way it won't get lost, right? So there's our columns that we need. So we need 4 columns. Excellent. There we have the 4 columns. And now we take beams. We slide 4 beams into the column top slot. Ensure the pin in the beam is face up. And it shows you a close-up. We need 4 of these. Okay, so you can see here we have this little pin, I think they call it. We need to make the pin face up. Put it in like that. See that pin there? Slides into the beam like that. There we go. Jabu, this is not so hard, is it? No, this is a very well developed system. Just slides right in so far. It's pretty good, hey? Sure is. Should we have a close-up for the boys and girls so they can see what's going on? See how the pins are slipped into the top there? Like so. Excellent. Three and 4. Take 4 columns, build one level by inserting 4 columns into the top of each of the lower level column top holes. And then 4, we need another 4 beams, slide 4 beams into the column slot. So we're just building it up like we did the base, the foundation, right? That's right, Jabu. And we'll point it this way as they have theirs pointed, just to make. And this will just slip in, and you have to push it with a little bit of pressure. Is that right, Jabu? Yeah, just a little bit so it sticks in nice and firmly. And then we put these beams across again. See, we slip them into there, and this slips into here. That one slips in there. Whoopsies. Don't want to bend them and break them, right? No, Jabu. Need to be careful. This is a fun toy to build, hey Lani? Sure looks fun for the mommies and daddies, doesn't it? It does. I think mommies and daddies are having fun. Very different to Legos and Mega Blocks and Duplos that we've built before, hey? It is, Jabu. Wow, we have 2 levels so far, hey? Okay, so that was number 3 and 4 in the instruction booklet. Now move to 5 and 6. So 5 is we need 4 columns and 4 beams. Build another level by inserting columns into each of the lower level column top holes and slide 4 beams into each column's top slot. So we're just building it level at a time. Aha, but now we start using cross members. So we need 4 cross members. Insert 4 cross members into each column's pins. As you can see here, they go across like that, right? To create this sort of thing. That'll cross members will brace it and make it really good, won't it? Make it really stable, right? That's right, Jabu. Because right now you can see it's a little bit wobbly, but the cross members will make it even firmer, right? That's right. Okay. So we just continue building up, right? I think at some point this is going to get taller. Then the camera will be able to see, hey? Just have to build the camera up, won't we? Sure will, Jabu. Okay. Remember the little pin part there has to go face the top, because I don't think it would fit if you try to put it upside down. Really? Yeah. Let's take a closer look and I'll show you. So you see that little hook or pin, as they call it? There's one on that side too. And if you put it on the bottom, I don't think it will slip in. So that pin has to be at the top like that. Oh wow! So if we turn it upside down, I don't think it'll fit in. Well, it would, but you see it doesn't sit level, right? Whereas if you put it in the right way, with the pin on the top, it sits nice and level like that, see? Ah, right, Jabu, it's very clever. It is, they've done a great job in designing this crane. Okay, so after we build this 3rd level, then what do? Well, we have to put in the cross members, right? That's right. And these are the cross members here. So we'll open these up. And put those out over there. So we have access to them. These are already put together for us, which is nice. See that one side is ridged, and one side is slightly hollow. So you can see that better. See, that's sort of a hollow side, and that side is ridged. So So I think we'll put the ridge side out, hey? Just push these in here like that. Give it extra stability, right, Lani? That's right, Jabu. This crane is going to be a lot of fun, Jabu. I can tell when we've finished building it, right? I know, I think it's going to be awesome fun. Lots of fun for us to play with once it's built. Yay, I can't wait. I know, me too. So we're just making sure we're trying to push it all the way in so it's nice and flat against the columns. That's why the mommy and daddy's putting their fingers in there, their thumbs, just to push it in flat against the columns to make sure it's sturdy and it doesn't slip off. See, and now it creates even more stability, see? It won't move as much. Quite firm, which is great. So we've done that level. We've got 3 levels now, and I think we can probably continue to build it up, right? Because that was 5 and 6 we did. 5 and 6, now we worked to 7. And we used 12 columns and 12 beams and 16 cross members. Build 3 more levels by using 12 beams and 12 columns. Put 16 cross members into the column pins. Wow. So you see there's going to be 6 levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 levels. Wow, Jabu, that's crazy. It looks like the top level doesn't have a cross member. So we'll continue building it, hey? Just adjusted it. Just adjusted the camera up so we can see it better, right? So we can see the levels we're building. This is going to be a tall toy. It will be, Jabu. Yeah. So we'll build the levels first, Lani, I think. And then we will put in the cross beams, hey? Sounds good, Jabu. I trust you. Thanks, Lani. Just helping direct the mommies and the daddies to make a good job, right? That's right. Okay, that's one level. It's going to be the second level, I think, hey? Okay, a little difficult to see now, isn't it? Let's see if we can put it on its side. Boys and girls can see it better, right? That's a good idea, Jabu. Because this is tall. And our camera prefers the horizontal landscape, right? Instead of vertical. That's right, Lani, it does. And that's also how YouTube seems to be set up for making it easier to see a landscape mode than vertical. Okay, so there you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels. So we need one more level to build, hey? Yay! Okay. Aha. Mummies and daddies have put this in slightly the wrong way. Not that it makes a big difference, I don't think. But you can see these ones are hollow and these ones are not hollow. The hollow part's on the inside. Oh no, Jabu! Yeah, I think we will just redo it just to make it go the right way so that everything is the same, hey? That sounds good, Jabu. Just to be sure, right? Yeah, exactly. So everything is the same. Okay, Lani, so we've attached, working on the fifth level right now. Making sure that the hollow points are showing the hollow points. Make it easy for us. That's right, Jabu, that's a good idea. Yeah. Okay. This is coming along quite quickly, isn't it, hey? Sure is, Jabu, it's fantastic. Okay, that's the fifth level. Now we need one more level, I think, hey? Wow. We could probably even build this higher, I imagine. Really, Jabu? Yeah, well, I think so, because we've got lots of beams and columns still available. So maybe we could, but we're running out of space here, too, to show the boys and girls the different levels, hey? I know, Jabu, this is one of the tallest toys we've ever built, isn't it? It sure is. We'll bring some cross beams here. Mind you, we might run out of cross beams, I think. So we adjusted this down so we can now see. It's really taking shape now, Jabu. It is, isn't it, hey, Lani? It's looking terrific. And these cross beams, cross members, will make it really stable for us, hey? That's right, so it won't break too easily, right? That's right, because this is just sort of, what should I call it? Peg and post, I was going to say, but sort of post and holes. So it's pretty sturdy, but it's not like putting glues or nails or screws or even welding as they probably would with real cranes, right? That's right, Jabu. But still, this is fun, hey? It is. We continue to build this up. Whoops. Hee hee, Jabu. Mommies and Daddy did the wrong one there. I know. But it's fairly easy to figure it out. You know, it's surprising to me that this toy says 8+, because we've had harder toys. Like, remember the Creo we did, the Creo Transformers? Oh yeah, Jabu, I remember that one. That was 6+, right? It was 6 to 12-year-olds. But I'm sure 6-year-olds could do this toy too. You think so? Yeah, I do think so, Lani. Because mommies and daddies aren't finding it particularly difficult. It's a bit time consuming, but it's fun to see it coming along as we build it, hey? It sure is, Jabu. So I'm sure boys and girls 6 years old and up could probably build this, especially with some help from the mommies and daddies. That's true, Jabu. Yeah, I think so. It's not that difficult. Aha. This is why we can't build higher. Why is that, Jabu? Well, because of these cross members, these cross members that create support, because we're running out of them, right? Oh, I see. Yeah, so that would make it more challenging to build. We could build it high, it just wouldn't be as stable in the higher parts, I bet. So this is the last level. This is the last level, the 5th level that we can put these cross members on. That's right, Jabu, because we're running out, aren't we? Yeah, we are. We only have enough for this level, this 5th level. It's looking like a real crane, isn't it, hey? Sure is, Jabu. It's very exciting to watch the mommies and daddies build this. It looks great, hey? Sure does. Looks really good. There we go. Let's take a look at this from a distance. You can see how we've built it, hey? Well, Jabu, yeah, it looks really good, hey? Yeah, 6 levels. And then we're going to put on the crane part itself on the foundation. Wow. Does look great, hey? Sure does, Jabu. Okay, let's see where we are. So we're over here at 7 and 8, hey? So we built those extra levels, and now we need to put on the crane. So maybe we'll do that tomorrow, if the boys and girls will come back then, hey? Sounds good, Jabu. You were right, Jabu. I was? About what, Lani? Well, you said it'd probably only take 2 videos. That's right, I did. And it probably will, right? Because tomorrow we'll put on the crane and all the other assorted pieces, accessories, and then we should be done, right? That's right, Jabu. It's going to be a lot of fun to play with. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Me too. I can't wait to see the finished product too. It's fun, and it's a good toy, and it's something different that we haven't done before, have we? No, that's right. Well, boys and girls, have some fun outside with your construction toys or in the bathtub, whatever you would like to play with. And remember to always put a smile on your face and to think happy thoughts, right? That's right, Jabu. That's very good advice. And remember to come back tomorrow, boys and girls, and thanks for visiting Jabulani's Playhouse. We'd love to have you here, all our new friends on all phases. That's right. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.